increased demand for more functionality continues to result in the increase in size of chips. To overcome limitation of the chip size, chips are broken down into functional dies and connected at the die level to form a system. Vertical stacking of functional dies enables significant leaps in speed, power efficiency, low latency, and small form factor. This new 3D innovation is completed through matured TSV technology with many years of mass production experience and microbump. X-Cube is the first generation of 3D IC wafer-level integration solution offered by Samsung Foundry. The X in X-Cube stands for extended interconnection density and extended functionality. With X-Cube, system designers can enjoy greater flexibility to build custom solutions that best suit for their system requirements. Silicon demonstration of X-Cube has already been completed by stacking SRAM on a logic chip, freeing up space to pack more memory into a smaller footprint. Furthermore, Samsung is providing silicon-proven design methodology and flow for advanced nodes. X-Cube will continuously be utilized for advanced applications such as mobile, AR, VR, wearable, and high-performance computing platforms. The evolution of 3D IC solution X-Cube will be the solution for beyond Moore's Law. Samsung Foundry will keep developing technologies to support our customers with unparalleled success.